Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get and use the auto bird whistle in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. To get this item, you need to visit Bailey J. She's at the central square right here. Well, let me show you. Okay, and then you need to visit her to open up her bird watching store. You can talk to her and go to the bird watching store. Okay, and here you will be able to buy the auto bird whistle, and it says after use, nearby birds except those on bird perch will change postures more frequently for 3 minutes. Okay, you can buy it with golds or with the stars. I've already purchased this item. Now it's time to use it. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how we can use it. But wait, let me try to find a bird. Alright, to use the item, you need to open up your backpack and hold the item. Okay, you can click on use like this, and you can equip the scanner, and it will help you increase the star. Yeah, just like this. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the auto bird whistle in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.